Let's take switch. So switch is similar to a conditional statement, which we have seen something like if else conditional statement. But in case of if and else, we have a boolean output which is true or false. But in case of switch, we have a certain specific outcome which is a definite value. Now I'm taking switch. So let's take a switch here, drop it. So I'm giving an expression. Let's consider two variables. I already have I. Let's take an input dialog. So what is my criteria here is I'll take a value from user, integer value. I'm just taking one value from the user, and that would be an integer type. So I have to change it to integer. So here my condition is I will say expression as I plus j, and if the value is equals to certain value like 2 or 3 or 4, I will try to execute the output. So let's take case 1, which is the value. If the value is 7, I would say message box print I plus j. And I'm taking another case. If it's an 8, then also I'm going to print the value here. And along with this, I wanted to give I and j or integer values. In order to print along with a string, we have to convert these two into string. So you can do that by using dot to string. So I'm using the same for all other message box. And here I just for notations I'm saying 8. So there should be a default. Let me just show you how it will work. So first it will ask for an input. As I already have a I value as 0, let me just take it as 7. So it is printing 7, I plus j is 7, and it goes for the k7 because I am giving the value as 7. Now let's take another example. If you want the output to be 8, then give the value as 8, and now I'm giving 9, then 9 will be printed, 9 and case 9. Suppose if the output is not equal to any of the cases which are defined, then it will choose, instead of breaking the flow, it will go and choose the default value. Let's consider it as a 3 or 6, any value which is not equal to the defined values. So this is default. So this is how the switch case works. So I have covered all the conditional statements. So I hope this is clear for you. Coming to the question of the sessions, and if you know the answers for this, please do comment in the comment section. And if you find any difficulty in understanding the concept, please reach me out on my LinkedIn page. So let's get into the assignment questions of today. How can we pass variables through workflow? Which loop is used to execute the activities at least once? What is preferred in case of simple workflows? Yes, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. If you like the content of my videos, please do like and subscribe and hit the bell note so you don't miss any of the future videos.